Good day, everybody. Okay, so I've got my brother to agree to play a game with me. Right now, we're gonna go over to invite a friend online. So basically, how the invite a friend online works is we agreed he's gonna host the game and I'm gonna join the game. Bhutan, do you have a code for me?
I'll give you now. It's 8806.
8806. Play.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just waiting. There we go. Okay, so he's green and I'm blue. My bloody goodness. Wait, yo. What the fudge happened there? Damn it.
Seems like you're one shot.
Oh, damn it. Yeah, it's very clever to injure yourself, ne?
Yeah, hey.
No, man, come on. Come on, be... at least. Lovely.
What next?
I actually made a mistake by trying this. But yeah, at least. Okay, so guys, remember, if you don't position the screen correctly, you're gonna struggle like I just did. Then you won't manage to do anything. Lovely, thank you. Thank you for that. Okay, so right now I've got two guys standing there. So what I'm gonna have to do is ouch. But that was worth it, so that doesn't... Let me just put... There we go. I must just remember to position my... Ow! That wasn't very clever. I'm not gonna lie.
What?
Okay, so guys, while he's busy, as you can see, my life is currently on level on 47, and my oxygen on my tanks is at 53. So if that oxygen runs out, the guy still dies. So you have to bear in mind that no, the guy can't die just because, but he can very well die because of drowning. So that you guys also have to bear in mind. But now let's do him this. Let's do him this favor. Just align perfect. Thank you very much.
Ons gaan hom versuip, ja.
Yeah, now he says he wants to drown me. I don't know for what good reason, but okay. And now he's gonna hit me, or he's gonna put a C4 on me, and then I'm gonna be into the water as well. Never mind. If someone shoots me with a rifle, ouch. Okay, clearly this is a match I'm gonna lose. This is clear. As in broad daylight, I'm gonna lose this bloody match, and I don't know why I made this mistake. But yeah, that's what they say. It's part of life. It is what it is. Nah, that didn't help me a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Ow.
Laser strike.
I don't know what to do now. Oh well.
Oh.
I didn't play.
Do you have any last wishes?
Yeah, please give me and get it over with. Yeah, your wish is my command. I knew it. But you know, Nate, there's something else I like.
It will be
Okay, guys, so this one basically what it does, it starts drilling, and the moment it reaches the, how can I say, ground level, then it explodes. So that's actually a nice feature of that one. But now, since this is what he's doing, what I'm gonna do now, I'll be willing to sacrifice my one guy to show you guys this one. This one I love. Thank you very much.
You think you have won?
I know you. Yeah, now he's healing himself. That's what someone does that doesn't like to lose. That's what you call cheating.
It's not cheating when it's part of the game.
I call it cheating. What the fudge? Yeah, aimless. I can't agree more.
Oh,
1-1. 1-1 at least. But guys, one thing I can tell you right now. There's one thing I'm gonna do he doesn't realize, and he's not gonna like it. What the fudge? Never mind. Okay, Buddha, good game. Very, very, very good game. So now I'm gonna continue, but I'm just gonna stop the video.